Zimbabweans urged to support war veterans, call for mass demonstration. Sanabina mashuka taona kuti avo vagara munyika yeZimbabwe citizens vari kuuya panapa vachinzi aiwa vakomana pindai mumademonstrations umu ndo mune rusununguko roti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muchinjiri tinobudanyira achiti Baba Chipeneti, a vocal critic of President Mnangagwa, is called on all Zimbabweans to support war veterans' demands for a massive demonstration, urging the president to step down immediately. Speaking to Change Radio, Chipeneti emphasized the need for Zimbabweans to unite and pressure Mnangagwa to resign, rather than dwelling on past events. Chipenety's call to action is rooted in the country's long history of misrule by ZANU-PF, corruption, abuse of office, and biased judiciary system. He stressed that the upcoming demonstration is not only about removing Mnangagwa, but also about fighting for the rights of all Zimbabweans, including police officers, and deserve fair salaries and pensions. Chipeneti says those questioning who will take over after Mnangagwa's resignation should not worry, as the people who send representatives to negotiate pending the 2028 elections. It's worth nothing that peaceful demonstrations are allowed under the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Section 59, guarantees the right to demonstrate and present petitions, as long as these rights are exercised peacefully. Tomashkanobuda panapa achivhura magwaro achiti aiwa vagari munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa don't be distracted. People varikunyatsokuona kuti varikuda change up. Aiwa let us flock and meet in the streets. Aiwa tikonzerese sezvirikubuda zvichitaurwa panapa tona aiwa nhau dzinobuda wepanhau reChange Radio. Tudze mafunguro enyu matode pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.